Watts was a success. So right now we just cleaning up the trunk. Got a new mat in there. The wires are gonna be long for right now because I still gotta build amp racks and panel this whole thing in. Really just testing everything, see how it's gonna sound, see how it's gonna look. I already test fitted the box, that's gonna work. We might go ahead and reveal the speakers to y'all. What you think? Should we let them see? I think we should go ahead and show them. We might show y'all. We might go ahead and show y'all the speakers. All the wires are in, like I said. We're gonna get ready to throw this box in, and y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright, let's bust them open. We gotta get our wires and stuff set up.
Two packages.
Two boxes. Bam.
It's a big speaker.
Mm-hmm. Big speaker. Yes, sir. Yeah, I like it. What y'all think?
Yep.
Alright, let us do the boring part. We gotta wire this stuff up. I forgot to show y'all the amp. So, that's a Sundown 1500 mono block. We're gonna run this down to 1 ohm. So we'll go negative, positive, and then we'll go straight off the speaker, negative, positive. So that's where we at. We'll get the wires done.
Talking about, I don't know.
Now I think we're good. Do they fit tight, or you need to clamp them?
They wired up?
This, yep. Wired up, wired up. I want to make sure. Good?
Yep.
Alright, here's the scary part.
What the?
Screwing them in on this brand new wood. Alright guys, we'll get them screwed in and we'll do a test.
This shit a vibe.
Ready guys, I think we got the remote wire left and that's it. So we'll be ready to test. Oh, the hot wire. Yeah, we'll be ready to test real quick. ready to test. Let me find my beat so we don't get that copyright. Send anywhere. Files. Gotta wait till the Bluetooth hooks up. Oh. No, no, no. Man, what the heck? They can see, buddy. You ain't gotta get that close. Put it about halfway. You ready? Sounding good, guys. Let me turn the car on though, so we don't kill all the power, and then we'll get it set real good.
should pick Roddy up for school in this.
Well, guys, that was the test. Now we're gonna test it on some real music. Y'all can't be involved in that because of copyright issues. But yeah, we're gonna test it on a real song, and hope y'all like the video, man. We running Sundown, checking it out. We are not sponsored by Sundown, but y'all tell them go ahead and send us a check. And y'all already know the routine, man. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.